Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Zoom meeting. This is useful when you need to cancel a scheduled meeting or clean up your meeting list. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already done so. This will bring you to your Zoom dashboard where you can manage all your meetings and settings. Now, look to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several menu options listed vertically. From these options, click on Meetings. This section displays all your scheduled meetings, both upcoming and past ones, giving you a complete overview of your meeting calendar. Once you're in the Meetings section, browse through your list to find the specific meeting you want to remove. When you've located it, you'll notice a Delete button positioned beside the meeting name. Click on this Delete button to initiate the removal process. This action tells Zoom that you want to permanently remove this meeting from your schedule. After clicking Delete, a confirmation pop will appear on your screen. This is Zoom's way of making sure you really want to delete the meeting, as this action cannot be undone. The pop will ask you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and click Delete again to confirm. Once you confirm, the meeting will be immediately removed from your schedule. All participants who were invited to this meeting will no longer see it on their calendars, and any meeting links associated with it will become invalid. And that's it, you've successfully removed your Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.